It's in there.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Can I hold it?
Yes. Grab it.
What is it?
It's for you. It's from Mama B.
This?
Mm-hmm. Pull it down.
I can't. It's too heavy.
Yes, you can. Pull it.
Can you help me?
Yes. You can do it, though.
I love it.
Come, open it in here. Come here.
It's for my party.
I know.
Can I open it in here and see what's in there? Oh, look! There's all kinds of colors.
I don't think that's what the fun part is. Check it out.
These are for my party.
Uh-huh. Keep looking in the bag. There's more.
Look! This is for my birthday.
Oh, wow.
It has dinosaurs on it.
No way. Do you like it?
Uh-huh.
Look at what else was in there.
That's my dinosaur bottle.
That's for your juice to carry to school.
Yes. I love them. This is my party.
Yeah. You love them?
Mom, brought me these.
Tell her that you love her and thank you. Look in the camera and tell her. Say thank you, Mama
I
B.
can't see her.
I know.
Can't see her.
You're not gonna see her. She's not here. She's gonna see you though. Tell her thank you.
I can't see her in the phone.
I know. Look in the camera and say thank you, Mama B.
Thank you, Mom.